There will be some bike footage today. Welcome back, everyone. It's the TheZFDPRO here, and today I'm bringing you another vlog. And we are in Texas, so it doesn't snow here much, but there's a bit of ice on the roof. We're gonna be going outside, doing some things, and
running around. I don't know.
So yes, there will be some bike footage today. So please continue watching the video. And here is the rest of the video. And here it is. And I'll be filming at 1080-30, 1080-60, and then 1080-120, and also 60 and 120 down. So here we go. Got the bike mount set up and everything. Got my jacket on because it's extremely cold out there. In the 30s. Low 30s. And so here we go. Let's get some nice shots. Goodness gracious, it's
really
cold out here.
God, my hands are gonna freeze. My head's gonna freeze. My legs are gonna freeze, definitely. So without further ado, here's some bike footage. Alright, here we go. "60 frames a second. I'm filming now at 120 frames a second. Let's go down the hill. Guys, I need serious help. Every time I touch anything with my hand, oh man, it feels like I can't film. The GoPro, so cold. Okay, oh my, let's get inside. Hey, Scrappy Dog. Hey, how you doing today? How you doing today? You're completely right. Maybe smacking into some Legos. 3? No. You got pranked again. Ow. Help. Anyways, we're going downstairs. I'm gonna make me some pho, which is Vietnamese noodle soup. It's my favorite food. Gotta have that water. Hello, and time to eat this delicious soup that I just made. And I think I'm gonna do a time lapse of it. So here we go. Yummy. And that's what I call a good meal. And please make sure you like, subscribe, and enjoy. And as always, peace out.